Hi Ray, I've got I've done some testing on my iPhone, and while it seems to work on a web browser when I minimize the window to mobile size, this is actually a feed from my phone which is plugged in at the moment. You'll just have to that there is, I can't move that, but what I'm going to do, this is where the page ends up for the Burkina Gorge um, scenic gem. So if I just click the back button, can I do it here? I might have to do it on my phone. 1 second. Okay, so I'm going to hit the back button now, and I've got that link obviously in the browser. So I'm going to hit forward, and now you'll see what happens on my iPhone. So it seems to load okay to begin with. The image comes in, everything's looking great. And then it starts to move. And there we go. So that's where it ends up. So it ends up higher up on the page. So just there we go. Come down. Yeah. So that's a quick screencast to show you what it's doing on my iPhone.